Divide 586 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 586 divided by 5 is 117 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.